Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the ultimate solution for hassle-free mealtimes with your little one. The Hook-On Chair, a portable high chair that combines convenience, safety, and ease of use. This innovative chair is designed to fit most tables between 0.8 and 3.3 inches thick, allowing you to quickly attach it to almost any tabletop, making it perfect for both home and travel. Its lightweight, fold-flat design ensures easy storage and portability, while the included storage bag and back pocket add extra convenience for parents on the go. Safety is a top priority with this chair, featuring a 3-point safety harness, sturdy metal clamps, and durable Oxford fabric to keep your baby secure and comfortable, supporting up to 15 kilograms. Cleaning up is a breeze with the removable seat cover and cushion, which are machine washable for your convenience. Please remember not to use this chair on loose or glass tabletops, card tables, table leaves, single pedestal tables, or with tablecloths and placemats. If you ever need assistance, our dedicated service team is ready to help, ensuring you and your baby have a seamless experience with our Hook-On Chair. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.